We're riding the Movenpick tuk-tuk. Let's go, baby. Nice. Wee. This is fun. We're here at Movenpick. Kuya is touring us around the property.
Yan po yung ating gym po. 24 hours yan.
Gym ba tayo?
Tapos yung ating kids club.
Kids club, yeah.
And later siguro, Tazi, when it's hot, you can go to the kids club. No?
Yung breakfast po natin.
Dito.
Kulit hour natin. Yung 3 to 4 p.m.
Yung chocolate at the market. Okay.
Tapos yung ating 2 hours. 6 to 4 po yung happy hour. Akyat po tayo, ma'am, sa may lobby. Ito lang.
That's the only pool?
Yes. That's the biggest, one of the biggest here in Boracay. Ito po yung beach natin. Yung red side.
Look at the white sand beach. The beach is so calm.
Babalik ako dun mo sa may lobby.